What if I told you that a medication meant to stop people focus and stay alert can also lead to one of the most dangerous addictions? Amphetamines may start as a solution, but for many, they become a trap. Today, we are diving into reality of amphetamine addiction, how it starts, how it affects you, and how importantly you can recover. Amphetamines are powerful stimulants that increase dopamine and norepinephrine levels, boosting energy and concentration. Originally prescribed for ADHD and narcolepsy, they can become highly addictive when misused. At first, users feel sharper, more awake, and more productive. However, as the body builds tolerance, it needs higher doses to feel the same effects, which leads to dependency. What starts as an occasional boost quickly turns into a cycle of high and crashes. Over time, the brain loses its ability to produce dopamine naturally, making it nearly impossible to feel pleasure without the drug. The risks are severe. Amphetamine short-term effects can cause anxiety, paranoia, hallucinations, and psychosis. Physically, long-term effects can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, cognitive decline, and even strokes. Many people don't realize they are addicted until it's too late. So how do you know when amphetamine use has spiraled out of control? Addiction develops over time. If you notice these signs, it's time to seek help. If these signs sound familiar, seeking professional help is crucial. But how is amphetamine addiction diagnosed? Amphetamine addiction is diagnosed through comprehensive assessments including behavioral evaluations, examining pattern of use and inability to quit. Physical symptoms can include checking for tolerance, withdrawal symptoms, and health deterioration. Psychiatric assessment include identifying co-occurring mental health conditions like anxiety or depression. If a person decides to quit, they experience withdrawal symptoms like extreme fatigue, depression, mood swings, and insomnia. These symptoms make quitting difficult but not impossible. Recovering from amphetamine addiction is just about quitting the drug. It's about healing your body and your mind. The first steps towards the recovery is detox, where medical experts help clear the drug from your system safely. Withdrawal symptoms like fatigue, depression, and craving can be tough, so professional care ensures a safe and smooth process. After detox, therapy plays a crucial role in long-term recovery, like cognitive behavior therapy helps identify triggers and build better coping skills. Group therapy and family counseling provide support and help to build trust and relationships. There is no single medication for amphetamine addiction, but narrators may prescribe antidepressants or mood stabilizers to manage withdrawal and mental health symptoms. Rehabilitation programs provide structured support. Residential rehab offers a safe space for intensive care, while outpatient rehab allows you to continue daily life attending therapy. Both focus on education, skill building, and relapse prevention. The choice between inpatient and outpatient care depends on the severity of addiction and personal circumstances. At Cadabums, we provide evidence-based treatment to help individuals regain control of their lives. Our program focuses on detox, therapy, and long-term recovery strategies tailored to each person's need. Recovery is a journey, not a one-time event. With the right support, absolutely possible. If you or someone you love is struggling, don't wait. Take control of your recovery today, reach out, and speak with your experts.